I am so excited to be announcing our first ever free stitch along Paws and Pals. This is an 8-part mystery stitch along featuring a variety of breeds of dogs and cats. Here is one of the dogs featured on Paws and Pals. This is your sneak peek to see what's to come, and I'm so excited to share the remaining animals with you. Currently available to pre-order on our website, this stitch along starts on the 28th of April and finishes on the 22nd of May. That means that you will be receiving 2-part releases every week between the 28th of April and the 22nd of May. For those of you that might not know what a stitch along is, let me try and explain it for you as best I can. A stitch along, also known as a SAL, is a community-wide project where stitchers from across the world will be stitching the same pattern at the same time. I always like to think of it as a mystery puzzle where you're putting the pieces together piece by piece. And once you have received all of the parts, you will have your finished project. Caterpillar Cross Stitch has actually been doing stitch alongs since the start of 2017. That's almost 10 years, which is crazy. And for those of you that are new to Caterpillar Cross Stitch, I can only recommend checking out our Trustpilot and Google reviews and reviews on our website to discover just how great these stitch alongs are. Loved by thousands of stitchers across the world, we also offer a 100% money back guarantee. They are so much fun, even if you are just stitching on your own or alongside the community worldwide. This SAL is suitable for beginners and expert cross stitchers alike. It features a lot of detail to keep you interested, but is also simple at the same time to create a relaxing stitching experience. There are no back stitches, no French knots, no speciality stitches, just full cross stitches. It's both fun and relaxing. A stitch along is a very manageable project to keep within your time period, as you can stitch as much or as little as you would like at once. You can complete this stitch along at your own pace, and if we have already started releasing the dates by the time you see this, don't worry, because it is never too late to join a stitch along. Even if parts 1, parts 2, parts 3, parts 4 and so on has been released, if you join at say part 6, you will receive the first 5 parts for this that have already been released. And don't worry, there is no pressure to keep up. You will receive an email at each part release, but trust me, it's okay. If you are behind, do not worry. Lots of people stitch multiple things at once. I think we're all guilty for having many whips on the go, but trust me, you will be in safe hands in a safe space, and it's okay to not be stitching as quickly as someone else. That is a big part of our community here at Caterpillar Cross Stitch, and you can become a part of this huge community yourself as well by joining us on Facebook. You can search Caterpillar Cross Stitch group and our page will appear. Come and join thousands of stitchers as we all take part in this free stitch along. It's the perfect time where if you've been thinking, okay, maybe I want to do a stitch along, but I'm not 100% sure how I'll feel about doing one. This is your perfect opportunity to do so because, like I've previously said, it's free. This is a free PDF pattern only. However, if you do want us to source your supplies for you, do not worry, because you can add on a supply pack. Inside your supply pack, you will receive a pre-sorted thread card. These are all DMC threads, and these are the colours featuring in your pattern. They are just screaming cats and dogs, although you don't see many pink, green and blue dogs. They are obviously for the facial features. But yes, I am so excited. I was going to say, can you guess which dogs and cats will be featuring from these colours? But I think most dogs and cats are the same colour, so that might be a little bit difficult. But do leave your guesses in the comments below of which animals you are hoping to see. Alongside your pre-sorted thread cards, you will also be receiving your fabric. This is of your particular choice, so you can choose from 14 and 16 count aida, as well as 32 count evenweave. If you are a beginner, we do recommend using the 14 count aida. In here as well, you also have your high quality needle, so you'll have everything that you need to begin stitching. We always recommend ordering your supplies in before the start date so that you have everything ready to go as soon as part 1 lands in your inbox. We do ship worldwide as well, so if you are somewhere else outside of the UK, do not worry, we can get these supplier packs to you. If you are shipping worldwide, we do recommend using a tracked shipping service just to be on the safe side. I know that so many of you are already so excited to begin stitching Paws and Pals, and I do not blame you. I am so excited to stitch along with you, and I just keep reiterating the fact that it is free. It is free. So maybe you do want to do colourful cats and dogs. That's completely up to you. This is your time to personalise it, to make this piece as special as you can. Now, I know that sometimes there are definitely preferred dog lovers and cat lovers, and if that is the case where you only want to stitch the dogs or only want to stitch the cats, then that is completely fine. You can do this. There is no set way that you need to stitch this pattern if you don't want to. The finished pattern sizes will be in the description box below, along with all the information that you need, as well as a link to our website where you can go and pre-order this. We do currently also have the option to add on a needle minder. We have a black cat, a corgi and a sausage dog. However, stock for these needle minders are limited. So if you do want to get your hands on a matching needle minder, then I do recommend getting in there quickly. For those of you that don't know what a needle minder is, they are a true lifesaver in the cross-stitch world. Our enamel needle minders are going to become your best friends. Trust me when I say this. I have lost so many needles in my time, down the sofa, in the carpet. I've even lost a needle on my Maine Coon cat, which I feel like is really relevant to this piece that we're bringing out. But yes, I have indeed lost a needle on my Maine Coon cat. If you don't know what a Maine Coon cat is, they're those huge, big, fluffy ones. His name is Arthur, and yes, I can guilty to say I have lost a needle on him. Don't worry, he was fine. I did find it, but yeah, it wasn't the best situation at the time. Our needle minders come with a very strong magnet. So what you do here is you pop the magnets either side of your fabric. You can pop your needle straight on top, shake as much as you would like to test it. Trust me, your needle is going nowhere. These are the perfect addition for stopping to either have a break, to stop to wait for the next release part, or even to stop to change colour. You will know where your needle is at all times. I cannot recommend needle minders even more. Like, they are, honestly, when I say lifesavers, they are truly, truly the best invention ever. I love them. I don't know where I'd be without them, and I feel like lots of stitchers will be able to say the same thing. And don't forget to come and join our Caterpillar Cross Stitch Facebook group, where you can join thousands of stitchers sharing your progress pictures. Currently, lots of people are sharing their current stitch-alongs, which are either Song of the Seasons or Stellar Signs or both. But like I said, if you are a beginner stitcher, or maybe a stitch along is something that you've wanted to try for a while, but maybe you just financially don't want to fund something when you don't know if you're going to enjoy it, which I completely understand. However, this is your perfect opportunity to do so, as this pattern is free. It's the first time we've ever done something like this, and we are so excited to see everybody's progress pictures, their stitching videos. Honestly, join the Facebook group, because it is the best place for a community full of heartwarming stitchers. And if you are a beginner and want to know tips, tricks, we also have lots of tutorials and over 400 YouTube videos. So there is a video out there that answers your question. However, if you do have any questions, you can pop them into the Facebook group. There are no silly questions there. That's what we always say. Everybody is there to welcome everybody and to be a helping hand. And if you are sourcing your own supplies, don't worry, all the information you need will be included within the PDF. The link to pre-order Paws and Pals will be in the description box, along with a link to join our Stitch Club. I cannot recommend signing up to the Stitch Club more, because there is an additional, is it right? Additional, not including Paws and Pals, 10 free patterns worth £60. Sign up is completely free. You just need to pop in your email, and once you have done so, you will receive an email with your ebook included. The ebook is what includes your 10 free patterns. So do check out the description box for all the information you need, along with all the additional links. You can ask any additional questions in the comments below, or you can contact our amazing customer service team on support@caterpillarcrossstitch.com, who will be more than happy to help. Thank you all so much for watching. I cannot wait to begin stitching with you on the 28th of April for our free Paws and Pals stitch along. I hope you all have a lovely rest of your day, week, month, whatever it is that you're getting up to, and I will see you again very soon. Bye!